Hi, for today's video is how to create a YouTube intro. Capture your online audience with show-stopping YouTube intros. Nearly all successful YouTubers use an intro to tell the viewer who they are watching and to build brand recognition. You don't need professional video editing or motion design experience to make them on Canva's free intro maker. Their customizable templates and easy drag and drop approach to making intros will get your YouTube channel and brand up running in no time. Capture your viewers and turn them into loyal fans and subscribers with a distinguishing intro using Canva's free intro maker. It's simple to use and available on the web browser, iOS, and Android, so you can make memorable intros wherever you are. So let's go to Canva. Now I'm already at canva.com. You can also use your laptop to make this more comfortable with you. But as I show you, I can also use this in mobile app. So I'm already here at canva.com and I already searched YouTube intro. You can find the right template. Canva's media library has video intro templates for every theme. Use the filters to narrow the templates by industry, style, color, and more. Once you find something you like, drag and drop it into your page to customize it and make it yours. I'm gonna try this one. Customize your design to fit your style, theme, or mood. Mix and match elements from different templates. Choose your own background, color scheme, and font style. Add a personal twist using artwork, images, photos, or branding elements. Like this, I'm gonna change the color. And let's make some changes for the color also. And we can also change the text. We can also change the font. And let's try to play. Then you can just upload and share. If you're ready to release your intro to the world, share directly with your followers on social media right from the Maker dashboard, or save video as an MP4 or GIF and upload it to your YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!